ఈ హుజరాబాద్ ఎన్నికల్లో అన్ని వర్గాలకు సంబంధించిన నిన్న ఆచార్య గారు వచ్చి మాట్లాడిపోయినారు, మొన్న ఒకరు వచ్చి మాట్లాడిపోయినారు. రేపు ఇక్కడ జరిగేటువంటి అన్ని చైతన్య సభలలో, కుల సభలు కావచ్చు, వృత్తిపరమైన సభలు కావచ్చు, ప్రతి సభకి ఒక కేంద్ర మంత్రి కావచ్చు, ఆ హోదా ఉన్నటువంటి వ్యక్తులు కావచ్చు, ఈ ఎన్నికల్ని ప్రాధాన్యత దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని ఈ ఎన్నికల్లో భారతీయ జనతా పార్టీ తన శక్తిని అంతా కూడా ఇవన్నిటిని ఓడగొట్టడం కోసం రేపు రాబోయే కాలంలో కాషాయ జెండా తెలంగాణ గడ్డ మీద ఎగిరేసి దాంట్లో చాలా సీరియస్గా కన్సర్న్లో ఉంది. కాబట్టి దాంట్లో భాగంగానే ఇవాళ మురళీధరన్ గారు వచ్చిండ్రు. రాబోయేటువంటి కాలంలో కూడా అదే స్థాయిలో మా మీటింగ్ జరగబోతాయని చెప్పి మనవి చేస్తా ఉన్నా. ఈ సందర్భంగా ఈ నియోజకవర్గ ప్రజల పక్షాన, మా గౌడ సోదరుల పక్షాన వారికి వెల్కమ్ చెప్తా ఉన్నా.
बीजेपी लीडर्स ऑफ इट्स नॉट देयर, तो इसकी जरूरत नहीं ना फिर क्यों?
रिकॉर्ड होता
ओ रिकॉर्ड, ओके, ठीक है. बीजेपी लीडर्स ऑफ तेलंगाना इंक्लूडिंग ఈటల రాజేంద్ర जी, श्री जितेंद्र रेड्डी जी, श्री किशन रेड्डी जी, प्रेमेंद्र रेड्डी जी, other senior leaders, my dear media friends, namaskaram to all of you. It's a pleasure for me to come to this part of the country in Telangana after a long gap. I have visited Warangal when Dharma Rao was there long time ago, but close to Warangal in this Huzurabad, it's a pleasure to come here on this fine morning and meet all of you. Friends, my visit is basically here to attend the Gauda Garjana program that has been planned by BJP today. For the last 7 years, the state is ruled by TRS party with Chandrasekhar Rao as the chief minister of the state. When Telangana was formed, people had high hopes, high expectations. Chandrasekhar Rao came to power on the basis of those hopes and expectations, and he promised a lot to the people of the state. But after 7 years, if you look back at the situation and if you analyze the present situation, I don't think that anybody, including those from TRS, would say that Chandrasekhar Rao has fulfilled the promises. And many of the leaders who are sitting here, they were once part of Chandrasekhar Rao's party and the cabinet. But they all left him because they didn't want to continue as a party to a government, to an establishment that was not fulfilling the promises given to the people of the state. What was the major promise he made? He said that if TRS comes to power in Telangana, we will have a Dalit chief minister. What happened to that promise? Leave it. He said that for every citizen of this state, he will provide everything. 2-bedroom houses, starting from there. Now he remembers the people only when an election is coming. Otherwise, he doesn't remember the people. He doesn't even come to the secretariat. and he runs the state. He can run his party if he considers it is owned by the family. But he runs the state as if the family owns the state. This is not the Telangana that people of this state, 1,400 youth gave their lives. They didn't give the life for making this state to be owned by one family. Telangana has a very glorious history. This area was ruled by the Nizams. The people of this area fought against that. And on September 17th, 1948, Sardar Patel's leadership, Hyderabad got liberated, become part of Indian Union. What was the promise given by Chandrasekhar Rao during the Telangana movement? That 17th of September will be considered as Telangana Foundation Day, Liberation Day. He didn't keep the promise. Why? Is it because he is afraid of MIM? He is afraid of OIC? So he has only the interest of his family, not